Today we're going to take an up-close look at this 3+2 piece luggage set provided to me by Coolife for review. I liked it so much, I want to show you the features that I really like about it. So first of all, so many people are traveling, so busy, we want to have a piece that we can identify. I love the colors on this. They're different enough that I could spot them easily. This navy blue color with the camel trim is really attractive. The outer ABS constructed luggage is lightweight. It's not super heavy. And what I really like is this, it's got a little visual thing going on here with the rippling effect. As we spin it around, what are you noticing there? The spinners are smooth, they are quiet, and they are functional. Look at that. You want the spinners to work and you want them to work well. Now we're going to look over here at something that I don't think people often look at. The handles on this luggage is rubbery. It's a rubbery feel, but what I really like about it, I'm gonna bring it in close, is that it's got some give to it so that when you pick it up, it will move with your hand. It doesn't get caught up in there, get smashed. This is gonna make the baggage handlers more apt to use your handles the way they're supposed to use them, as opposed to this handle, which they should never use. Spinning around to the back, I wanna call your attention to this push button handle is smooth. We have a couple of different locks here, so there's a couple of different heights, but most importantly, this, I'm trying to wiggle it as much as I can. It's securely fastened. It's not going anywhere. There's not a lot of room for play. It's got too much play in it and it wobbles all over the case. It's really hard to pull it along. I'm going to show you that here we have some TSA locks, and look how cool they are. You just push the buttons, you're going to come in, you're going to use the instructions, you're going to set your code. Now what does this mean? The code means that you'll be able to get into it, but the average person wandering around in baggage claim will not. TSA will be able to get into it because they have to, but it's always nice to have a little more security so that the average person can't go looking through your luggage case. You simply bring the zippers over to this, up to this point, and you just simply press to lock them in place. There's an instruction card in each one of these bags to show you how to set that TSA code. Go ahead and come down here to the wheels because everyone wants to know what's at the bottom of this case. They are securely attached. They are 360. You saw how quietly they roll. So this is a feature that you must have these days for travel. Gone are the days where you're leaning your luggage back to pull it through the airport. Now let's get these things up on the countertop so I can show you what's inside. Now let's press the button, away the zippers fall. First thing I want to show you is how smoothly these zippers work. Okay. On this side of this bag, we have a zippered liner that's going to cover up the items beneath it. First of all, let's look at the pocket. This is a huge, roomy mesh pocket here. And by the way, there's those instructions for TSA. So useful, so easy to see what's in there. Let's look and see how big this compartment is. This is, by the way, the 28-inch piece of this luggage. And you can see how completely roomy this is. Swinging this around, the other side of the case is extremely roomy as well. This side has an adjustable buckle, and then simply go ahead and strap it down, and you will then tighten it up because it's adjustable. Again, the same type of situation on this 24-inch. One more time with the 20-inch, which this is the perfect size for carry-on. So here we go. Same layout. Same divided pocket here. It anchors down with a zipper. The zippers all work very well. Of course, in this side, we're going to have the same layout. It's all consistent. Same adjustable buckle strap to anchor your items down during travel. They have decided to include a consistently colored matching duffel bag. This is a lightweight water-resistant polyester. Let's go ahead and look inside. Ooh, wait. One more item. We'll get to that. This is all really nicely lined. In the back, I really love this. We have a zipper pocket here. I like that. But what I also love is the handle sleeve so that you can put this over the handle of your carry-on bag. Now let's check out this piece. This is a toiletry bag. Very nice set. Now we're going to do something that I always do when I review luggage. I'm going to fill up one of these pieces and we're going to give it a drop test. I want to see how the wheels handle that. I want to see how the structure handles that. And quite honestly, the way I pack, I want to make sure that the zippers don't explode on me. Let's check it out. Okay, Matt's giving it a couple of good tosses here from pretty high up. He's thrown it a couple of times. We don't see any damage. There are no scratches, no dents. The wheels are fine. Check this out if you're looking for luggage. It might be an option for you. Thank you to the brand and thank you for watching.